everyone, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to continue to talk about some more LV releases that are coming out very soon. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
Okay, so I'm super excited. You guys know I love y'all, and I just love talking about everything luxury as far as handbags, belts, sunglasses, ready to wear. But we have to keep talking about the men collection just for a little bit, guys. Look at these Keepalls. The Keepall 50 in this beautiful unprint leather. Look at this red. I'm blown away. This is beautiful, guys. Of course, silver hardware. Of course, the inside is a black textile. It doesn't match the outside, but I love how they have the trim around the silver zipper in red as well. This is amazing. And I can't see this having gold hardware anyway. So LV, you knew exactly what you were doing. The men collection is hot. It is on fire. Launch date November 9th, okay? Last video I told you guys the same launch date. So November 9th, VIC, you can get those pre-orders in right now. Right now. Or just reach out to your CA. I'm pretty sure, guys, if you let them know what you want, they're going to put you on game and let you know when pre-orders open. Next, this blew me away. Look at this yellow. This blew me away. Again, this is not quiet luxury, guys. This is see me coming through the airport. Move out of my way. I am a luxury collector. I am luxury. I am everything. Today is about me. That's what this yellow states. I'm telling you. This is amazing. I love this. This is so creative, guys. I even love the bag tag that's on there as well. The silver hardware stands out so much against these colors. I'm loving it. LV, you guys are on the right track. Keep it up, but just bring it to the women's side, okay? So I had to bring this up, and I had to talk to you guys about this. Of course, the inside, the same as the red, black textile material. I love the yellow trimming around the silver hardware. Everything's perfect, LV, and I am going to give you kudos. And I want everything that you're dropping from this collection. I really do. I don't care if it's purple, at this point, red, pink, green, yellow. I just want it all. I just want it all. Okay, so I had to share that with you. Once I saw it, I fell in love again. And the price, $3,800. Okay, $3,800. I don't think that's too bad. It is leather and the color. So you guys let me know what you think. Again, price $3,800. Launch date November the 9th. Let's keep going, guys. Okay, we have to talk about this. You guys know how I feel about my epi leather handbags in my collection. I have two. I have the Alma in the color orange and also in the color green. Both epi leather. Alma BBs. You guys know I love these handbags. I was waiting forever for an orange handbag and also for a green. I am so blessed. So happy that I was able to get both from Louis Vuitton. You guys know that's my favorite brand. And in epi leather. I love it. But I have to show you something. This. I'm blown away. What am I going to do? I'm blown away, guys. What am I going to do? Should I hop on this or just leave it alone? I don't understand. I don't understand, because I'm like, I'm done with it. No more epi leather. No more Alma BBs, because you guys hardly see me carry Alma BBs. But I love the two that I have. I don't know what to do. I need your help. And also, I have this in fuchsia. This is the on-the-go toe in the PM size. But then again, you guys hardly see me carry a PM. But I do carry this handbag. You guys seen it in plenty of videos. I actually use this handbag. Let me know. Do I purchase this even though it's the fuchsia color, knowing that I have this fuchsia on-the-go toe PM in my collection, but this is with gold hardware. It's a difference. And it's an on-the-go toe PM. This is an Alma BB with silver hardware. Same color fuchsia, but it's epi leather. This is unprint leather. So it's a difference. This is me convincing myself. Let's get the price. Let's get the price. I am so excited. I knew this was coming. Launch date is November 3rd, meaning pre-orders are open now. Pre-orders are usually open, guys, 30 days out. So today, October 5th, that means it came available October 3rd. Do you guys understand what I'm saying? So it's basically 30 days out. And the price, $1,820. Product code number, M as in Marquita, 82511. And did you see how I put my name in that product code number? Comes with a matching leather strap, a fuchsia strap, again with silver hardware. Oh my gosh, this is just so amazing. I don't know why I'm excited. But should I go for it or should I just leave it alone? Again, price $1,820. Epi leather Alma BB with silver hardware. Excited. Okay, guys, so we have more to talk about. Let's keep going, because the more and more I talk about it and think about it, I just want to go and get my credit card and get things started. You guys know how in love I am with this beautiful Monogram side trunk. I'm so in love that it scares me. I'm so in love that it scares me. I don't want a mark. I don't want a water spot. I don't want anything touching this handbag. I would never let anyone borrow this handbag. I think this would probably be the only handbag in my collection I wouldn't let someone borrow. That's how in love I am. I still have the plastic on the hardware. Everything is perfect. No scratches, nothing. Like I said, this handbag to me, I love. Very, very, very close to this handbag. I can't describe it. You guys, I just won't let anyone touch it, okay? Treated vachetta. That was a plus. But let me show you this. Look at this side trunk. Red leather, the gold hardware. I told you guys and showed you this in a video, I believe in April. In April, I received some pictures and I wasn't supposed to show you guys. But look at this handbag. Look at this handbag, guys. Okay, let's get some details. The product code number is M as in Marquita, 23815. Are you ready for the price? $4,350. Yeah. Yeah, $4,350. But the launch date is October 13th. We don't have much time. We don't have much time, guys. That's next week. We don't have much time. Are you ordering this? I want it. I want it. I'm not going to say that it's better than my Monogram, because like I said, I have a different type of relationship with this handbag, and I just feel like nothing else can touch it. I don't know why. But this right here is so sexy. It stands out so much. The gold hardware on here is perfect. Louis Vuitton, you did an amazing job creating this handbag. I love the tote handle. I love the long leather straps where you can wear this as a crossbody. Everything about this screams luxury. Everything about this screams perfection. This is a 10. I'm telling you now. This is a 10 handbag. Inside, the beautiful microfiber material. Soft red interior that matches the outside of the bag. I've showed you guys plenty of times what fits in the side trunk. A lot of people were kind of upset when the side trunk came out, thinking that the zipper wasn't wide enough. Guys, my Braza wallet fits in. I'm telling you now, this handbag holds a lot. So don't worry about getting items in and out. Very easy. Please do not worry about that. And this is the MM size. It's not the PM. This is the MM size. I showed you what fits in. I can't brag enough. I can't brag enough. And I'm honestly proud of LV. I really am. Because this is one of the handbags I didn't think was going to make it through production. We know the reverse monogram did not make it through production with black leather. Yes, there was a reverse monogram side trunk in the fashion show, but it did not make it through production. This was another handbag, and the red made it through. So I am super excited. I need for you guys to let me know in the comments. Is this the type of handbag you need in your collection? I've been looking for a red handbag. Yes, I have a Toiletry 26, but it's not the same. I have to sell my Toiletry 26 in the scarlet red. I have to sell some of these handbags because they are just sitting, and honestly get handbags that I am going to use. Handbags that's more like me. Okay? Because I'm even looking at the Capucine handbags. I need handbags that's more of my speed. Like the Chanel's. And yeah, guys, a little different. But I need to move on. I need to grow up in the luxury community. I need to grow up. It's just some handbags that when I purchased, like I told you, I purchased because they were cute. And at that time, I wanted them. And then they came in my collection and they set. So it's time for me just to detox and purchase handbags that I want and I'm going to use. So again, let me know how you feel about this red leather side trunk with this beautiful gold hardware, because I absolutely love it. I have one more handbag that I want to show you, was shown in the fashion show. The most recent fashion show, okay, that Louis Vuitton had. I'm smiling because this one kind of shocked me. I wasn't expecting this, okay? I wasn't expecting this. So, this was for the Louis Vuitton Spring Summer 2024 fashion show that recently was launched. Look at this side trunk. Look at this side trunk in damier azur print. Okay, we have to talk, okay? This is a women's spring summer, guys, 2024. Side trunk in damier azur print. I want to know how you feel. Me, you guys know I'm not a big fan of this print. I'm not a big fan of the print at all. I am upset that they skipped on the reverse monogram for this. Yes, I am upset that they skipped out and left us out on the reverse monogram side trunk for this. I'm sorry. For you guys that love this print, let me know, would this be a handbag you purchase? I'm trying to see, are they going to create a trifecta? Are they going to create a trifecta? We have the monogram. We have the damier azur print. Are they going to create a damier bean print in this? Do you smell trifecta? Because we are still waiting on the Speedy 20 damier azur to complete our trifectas. I'm going to pass on it. I'm going to pass on it. But I just feel a trifecta coming. So, would you order a damier bean side trunk, guys, if it was released? That's a carefree handbag, no vachetta at all. And if you are looking very closely at this handbag, the vachetta is not treated. It's not darkened, it's not treated. This beautiful honey patina treated vachetta strap. The trimming. Look at this. Look at this. Apple guard. You are going to have to make apple guard your best friend, and also watch out, due to the print being as light as it is, you guys know color transfer. You will be absolutely upset if you mess up this handbag. I believe my side trunk was roughly around a little bit over $4,000, and that's with tax. I think it was like $3,850, but with tax it was like $4,200. I'm assuming, you know, that it will be the same price. You know, we don't know. LV goes up on their prices, so we will have to wait and get more details, but I had to show this. I mean, why you guys didn't tag me, didn't send this to my DMs? I am so shocked. I am so shocked. I've been very busy, but once I saw it, I said I have to speak on this with the family. So you guys let me know. Today we spoke on more of the men's collection, the Keep All 50, $3,850. The red, the yellow. I'm pretty sure more colors will be released soon. You let me know. Are you purchasing anything from the men collection? November 9th launch date. We have the beautiful Fuchsia in Epi leather, the Alma BB, $1,820. Will you be purchasing? We have the beautiful side trunk, red leather, gold hardware, launching next Friday, October 13th. Will you be purchasing? Or are you patiently going to wait on the Damier Azur side trunk? I still feel that the Damier bean is coming. So guys, let me know how you feel, what you think. For the first time in a long time, I'm excited. I'm excited for these launches, for these drops. I honestly feel like they went back to the drawing board, put their minds together, the creative team, and they are really launching the things that we need. This is what I call luxury. That side trunk, that's what I call luxury. The Keep All 50, all the travel items from the men collection, that's what I call luxury. Not quiet luxury, luxury. Stand out. I paid this much for this. I want you guys to see exactly what it is. And that's how I am. I stand bold, and I want my items to be bold. Whatever I pay for, especially the amount that we are paying for, I don't want it to be quiet. I don't want a $4,000 handbag to be quiet. That's just not how I operate, how I roll. I want it to be bold, and I want it to be shown. And I'm going to step out the same exact way because I'm worth $2 billion. And so I'm going to stand out. So guys, let me know how you feel. Again, thank you so much for tuning in. I am honestly going to keep rolling out videos. If I see other items, guys, that I feel like you need to know about, I am going to let you know. As always, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next video. Bye bye.